Is being tall or short better for a girl?
Hello, and welcome to our discussion on height and how it affects the experiences of girls and women. This topic may seem unusual, but it's actually a question many people wonder about. We often hear about how height impacts men, but it's not often discussed in terms of girls and women. Today, we're going to change that.
How does society view height?
Our society tends to hold certain perceptions about height. For men, being tall is often viewed as being better. But what about for girls and women? Some people might think that being taller is better because it can lead to success in some areas, such as sports. However, others might argue that being shorter is more ideal due to societal beauty standards. In reality, the better height is subjective and can vary based on personal experiences and societal influences.
Does height impact confidence?
Does being tall or short influence a girl's self-esteem and confidence? This is a complex question, as individual experiences vary widely. Some tall girls might feel out of place, especially if they tower over their peers, leading to feelings of awkwardness or a lack of confidence. On the other hand, short girls may feel overlooked or underestimated due to their height, which can also negatively affect their self-esteem.
Does height affect health?
Interestingly, there are also health factors to consider when discussing height. Studies show that certain health risks are associated with height, with some favoring short stature and others favoring tall. For example, taller women are at a slightly higher risk for certain types of cancer, while shorter women might be more susceptible to heart disease. However, it's essential to understand that these are broad generalizations and many other factors also contribute to health risks.
What about love and career?
The arena of love and careers is another aspect where height may play a role. For instance, some people prefer taller or shorter partners, and these preferences can influence dating experiences. In careers, some fields may favor taller height, like modeling, while in others, height is inconsequential. However, the key takeaway here is that the height shouldn't define a girl's ability or potential in love or her career. In conclusion, whether being tall or short is better for a girl is a subjective question. It depends on various factors, including societal expectations, personal experiences, health implications, and professional scenarios. The most important thing to remember is that every height is beautiful and has its own unique advantages and challenges. It's essential for every girl to embrace her height, be confident in her own skin, and not let societal standards define her worth or potential. After all, it's not the height that matters, but the height of your aspirations and the depth of your spirit. We hope this discussion has been enlightening and encourages girls and women of all heights to appreciate and love themselves just as they are.